Vietnam, a land of amazing culture and beautiful places, has a secret treasure. It's orchids. These special flowers are famous for their beauty and many different kinds. Vietnam has over 1,300 types of orchids, and many of them grow only in Vietnam. From the cloudy mountains in the north to the warm Mekong Delta in the south, orchids grow everywhere. They decorate tall trees in old rainforests, hang onto steep cliffs, and even cover the ground in forests where trees lose their leaves. Each type of orchid is beautiful in its own way, with cool patterns, bright colors, and nice smells. This amazing variety shows how Vietnam's different landscapes and weather create perfect homes for all sorts of orchids. Some, like the special Paphiopedilum delenatii, only grow in Vietnam. Others grow in nearby countries in Southeast Asia too. Sadly, many of Vietnam's orchids are in trouble. Cutting down forests for wood, farms and cities is the biggest problem. When forests disappear, orchids lose the trees they need for homes and shade. People also take orchids from the wild to sell, which is a big no-no. This hurts the orchids and the places they live, and climate change is making things worse, changing the weather and making it hard for some orchids to survive. Because of these problems, many orchids are disappearing and some are almost gone forever. Losing even one type of orchid is a big loss for Vietnam's nature. People in Vietnam know orchids are in danger, so they're working hard to save them. Creating safe places like national parks and nature reserves is super important. These places protect orchids and other animals from harm. Growing orchids in gardens and saving their seeds is also important. This helps keep different types of orchids safe and can help bring them back to the wild later. Telling everyone about how important orchids are is also really important. Saving Vietnam's orchids is a tough job, but we can do it. By protecting their homes, growing them in safe places, and teaching people about them, we can help these beautiful plants survive. Projects like bringing the rare Paphiopedilum delenatii back to the wild show that we can save orchids if we work together. We need to keep helping so that everyone can enjoy Vietnam's beautiful orchids in the future.